Father Muller Medical College Hospital has initiated a noble project to provide dialysis service at an affordable cost without compromising on quality of medical, nursing and technical care. Their state-of-the-art dialysis unit, equipped with 30 machines, serves not only the local community but also attracts patients from distant regions, transcending barriers of creed and religion. The hospital's dialysis fund aims to bridge the financial gap, ensuring accessibility to life-saving treatments by facilitating the procurement of the latest medical equipments and covering the cost of essential consumables. Participating in this fundraising drive will not only support the continuation and expansion of these vital services, but will also bring hope and relief to the countless families. For patients with chronic renal failure, dialysis is a lifelong, tri-weekly procedure, and this initiative ensures that they receive the care they need with dignity at a cost they can afford. Your contributions can bring smiles to the many families, offering them a brighter and healthier future. King of Tune, Mr. Vincent Fernandes Cascia, our very own famed Konkan singer of Mogachi Lahran, will be performing in aid of this dialysis fund on February 23rd, 2025 in the Father Muller Convention Center. This short movie thus is made to help collect your generous contributions, Father Muller Dialysis Fund. We hope to see you there in favor of Konkan music and generosity. Thank you.